channel, and today I'm going to give you a review on two wig bands. I'm going to give you a review on the Wig Fits, and I'm going to give you another review on the GEX wig band. So we are here trying to protect our edges, so I want to give you the real. I wore both bands for a full day while running errands and things like that, and I'm going to give you my experiences on both. So let's first start with the Wig Fits. The Wig Fits branding was really nice. I love the packaging and how it talks about the benefits and how to use it and things like that. I also like that it came in a little bag like this. The zipper broke, but it came in a bag like this. I paid a total of $38. It was originally $34, but with the shipping, it was $38. And then it came within about 5 days. So the band is plastic. You stretch it out. It doesn't have, it doesn't come off or anything. You put it on, your whole head or whatever, and it has ridges on it. And the ridges is so that your unit adheres to the plastic, okay? And that's supposed to keep it on really good. Now, I wore it. I went to the store, and every time I looked in the mirror, I could see plastic or my wig was pushed back. Yeah. I had to send a memo out to like friends and family if they see me and my wig is pushed back or my band is showing, to mind their business because I'm trying to see something. So I was not feeling confident out in these streets with this band on. It was hard for me, and I kept trying to fix it, and then I was thinking like maybe I was wearing it wrong or something like that, but no, I wasn't wearing it wrong. So by hour 5, I was sweating, and I had to take the band off to let my hair breathe. Like I needed my hair to breathe. I needed to air out. I was sweating all back here, and I was just hot. Like I was just hot. And the crazy thing about it was I knew I had to put it back on because I was doing the review, but I didn't want to put it back on. So I'm not really sure if I wore it correctly. I'm pretty sure I followed the directions. I put it on, and I put it on a couple of times, and it just wasn't working for me. I did try it on with another unit to see maybe it was the unit that I was currently wearing, but I still had the same issue, and it just kept sliding back. Like if it didn't slide back here like this much, it was like sliding back here. I also did the shake test, and when I did the shake test, it flew right off of my head. So I'm going to go back and do the shake test with this, and then I will insert a video. So that was the Wig Fix, okay? So now let's get into the GEX wig band. So this is like a velvet material, and it's Velcro. So you can take it apart, and basically you just put it on. Ooh. Hold on, y'all. This looks like a look. Where's she going? Where's she going? To the living room. Right on to the living room. So, y'all get it. Y'all get how to wear it. I got a little carried away. But anyway, you just snap it on like that. And honestly, you could place it anyway. Like some people are saying that you had to put this in the front, you had to put it in the back. You can literally place it anywhere. So you clip it on, and let me tell you, this is good, okay? I put it on, and my unit stayed on all day. It stayed on all day. I wasn't hot, I didn't sweat, and it just stayed in place, like to the point where I forgot that it was even on. I didn't feel it. I thought that I would like sweat and feel it and it would bother me because of the material, but I didn't have any issues at all. So it stayed on completely. I forgot it was on. I felt like I could even sleep with this on. I really didn't even notice. It made my unit feel very comfortable. This was $6.99 off of Amazon and came within 2 days. So, you know, my thoughts right now, like I spent a lot more money with the wig fix. So it's like, I expected more, and the way that they advertised it and everything, I kind of expected more. But overall, I would choose this one over that one. I'm gonna put this one on too and do the shake test so you can see, you know, how it looks and what my findings are. And yeah, so that's my review. All right, thanks for watching, y'all. I'll put some links in the description below just in case you want to purchase the wig fix or the GEX wig band. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna mess up my hair and brush it down. And as you can see, it's already poking out a little bit. So I'm going to readjust and pull my unit down, get it in place so that we can start shaking it. As you can see, here we go again. It's coming out a little bit. So I'm gonna brush it again and do the shake test one more time. So by this time I'm frustrated because I could feel it coming off my head. And yeah, it just wasn't really working. Now moving on. Messing up my hair again. And then we're gonna brush it down. I'm getting it all in place. And then we are going to start shaking. So I'm shaking, and as you can see, I got a little dizzy there. But I brushed it down, it's still in place, it's still intact. And let's do it again for the second time. Shake, shake, shake. Not moving. I even gave it an extra shake. Got a little dizzy again, y'all. But as you can see, it's still on, still intact. And I really think that this one is the best one. All right, y'all, so I hope you enjoyed this. And make sure you comment below, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. BonnyBe.